Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today on this 2007 Ford F250 FX4 Crew Cab short bed. This is a black Lariat, four-wheel drive, loaded up. Good miles, gray leather, sweet truck, lots of awesome options. The black ones, man, they do not stick around long. They just have a great look to them. It's not very cold out today, about 60 degrees, but we are cold on the truck. Wait to start lights off. Fire's right up. Miles 191,685 on the miles. It's a Lariat trim package, so you got the wood grain. We've got a double den Boss screen in it. It's got Bluetooth, backup, all that good stuff. Digital climate control AC. Integrated factory trailer brakes, push four-wheel on the fly, and power sliding rear window. We do have the upgraded cruise control, radio control, and AC control buttons on the steering wheel. Power windows, locks, seats, mirrors, all the good options. Overhead storage for sunglasses. Really good options. Seating for 6. It's got the center jump seat here. Back seat's in good shape. Really nice truck. That's pretty much on the inside. Nothing too special going on. I do like having these radios otherwise. Let's pop the hood, take a walk around the outside, look over the body. It's an 07 with 190K, you know, 12-year-old truck, so we're gonna have a couple little dings and dents and stuff to go over, but pretty clean. The truck has an EGR Delete and a cold air intake, and that is it. Stock head gaskets, it's not been studded. Absolutely zero blow by, which is a wonderful sign. We love seeing that. Nothing concerning under the hood going on. This truck runs great. We've got an updated Ford emblem on the front grille there. Harley Davidson headlights on the front. Obviously we'll start with the wheels and tires here. 20 by 12 Cali off-road distorteds. They look like the fuel cleavers. They're dual drilled, 8 by 170, negative 44 offset. And we are on a 35 1250 20 amp all-terrain tire. Brand new, 0 miles on the setup. We are level 3 inches on the front. It is a 3-inch puck. If you don't like the way it looks, the truck does sit a little higher in the front than in the rear. It is changeable, not a lot of work. It's got the chrome rocker trim that came on the truck. Upgraded chrome door handle pieces and the mirrors as well. They're just little chrome add-on accessories. The truck has been Missouri state inspected and is good to go. One thing I do want to show you here. The glass is etched. You get this a lot with work trucks that are on gravel. The guys roll with their windows down and dirt and debris gets in here and creates what looks to be scratches on the glass. So it is there. It's not in the tint, it's in the glass. If it really bothers you to death, you can put a new piece of glass in there from the junkyard for 50 bucks. Not tough at all. Cab's pretty dang clean. There's no damage I need to point out on it. Does have a rhino stripe here. It's like the rockers have been addressed at some point with black rhino liner, bed liner. It does have the chrome's faded, or polished look is faded on this gas cap here. We do have a set of pocket rivet fender flares as well. And we have a gooseneck hitch in the bed, turnover ball. Truck's in pretty nice shape all around. This side's pretty clean. There's not much more I need to point out. We covered the rocker rhino liner job. Smoke set of tail lights. Tailgate's been repainted at some point. And it's got a dent right in the middle of it there. Someone backed into the trailer or something. And the rhino stripe does continue on the bottom, just that little piece of the tailgate there. Exhaust, It's actually stock. It's got the muffler and everything. It's stock emissions. It's not loud or anything. And it does have that Ford mat in the bed too, the bed liner. I'm just trying to make you guys get a feel for this truck. It's in pretty good shape for almost 200,000 miles. But I want you to see everything before you come drive and check it out. I don't want to waste your time. And it's not beat up. There's no door dings or dents or anywhere on the body. The body's pretty dang straight for what it is. Passenger heated power seats, fully adjustable as well. AC is ice cold. That's a great truck all around. It's just got a couple years and miles on her. Plenty of life left, ready to put to work. Truck drives out awesome. I don't know if there's much more I need to show you guys. We've serviced the truck through the shop. It's turnkey, clean title in hand. A little bit of chrome peelage on the grill there before we use that high-tech, high-powered chrome. But you guys know the drill. If you have any questions, please call my cell phone, 913-735-3748. That's the best number to get a hold of me. Call me, text me. You can come down 6 days a week and look at this. We're closed on Sundays. You can call the shop direct, the landline, 816-298-7030. And the easiest way to get information on this truck is our website, 816diesel.com. You'll find my cell phone number, you'll find the landline, our address, the VIN number. Any bit of information you might want is on the website, 816diesel.com. But that's the truck, guys. Let me know if you got any questions. It will not be around long. I put it on Facebook yesterday and I've had about 6 people hit me up already on it. So let me know what I can do to get you in it. And if you have any questions, just give us a shout. Thanks. Have a good weekend.